Shah Zaman was really excited to find out that Kanye West wants to be the next president. And Kanye went, "Hey you, don't be hesitant. Vote for me to be your next president. Yes, my wife has a huge ass, so support me en masse. I'll lead you all to hell. I'm bonkers, can't you tell?" And that is when, "He's better than Trump, at least he can rap." And Shah Zaman said, "I agree, that was amazing rapping. I can't wait for his inauguration. It's gonna be a showbiz spectacular, better than Glastonbury." And Kanye West said, "Yes, if you support me and want me for the next president, why don't you subscribe to Shah Zaman Comic on YouTube for more?"